upon a time there was a guy named, I don't care to tell, I didn't know him very well. I put all my hopes and dreams into the thought of he and me together. Then I found out he was not my type. Yeah, I gave him a number and he said, yeah, I will call ya. And I felt so very good for taking chances. I felt like shit when I found out that he let me on. My heart wasn't broken, but the show was torn. And everybody told me, get over it. My body was a universe and yes. In my head it was a turning as I guess what's next. I took a look into the mirror and I said, when I find me that somebody who's the right somebody, you will be white noise. All my signals will be up and running, will be more than just fist bumping. You will be white noise. Get the fuck over yourself, won't put my feelings on the shelf. So help yourself to serving stuff the best you've never had. Won't show my underwear, hope that was clear. These are the things I will not share. I will be led by the heart and not what's down there. There used to be a time when finding love seemed out of line, and my body felt so weak. I picked up my broken pieces and I left that state of mind. Now my stupid insecurities are all behind. Somebody, you will be white noise. All my signals will be up and running, will be more than just fist bumping. You will be white noise. All the time I spend trying to find something I cannot comprehend, trying to gather emotion for someone who's not my straight best friend, has put a damper on the mind and kept my social awkwardness on point. I find the world around me is constantly an ode to those who devalue my feelings, and everyone knows that I'm dealing with life's ups and downs, depreciating my being. Everyone knows, as the saying goes, blah 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 blah. Don't want to have to find, yeah, I want you to just appear, safe and sound for a love that we can share year after year. Somebody, you will be white noise. All my signals will be up and running, will be more than just fist bumping. You will never ever ever be on my mind. In dynamic love like this, it's very hard to find white noise.